Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I'm unboxing something really special and exclusive. The Maniére X Air Jordan 12 Retro SP Black. This isn't just a sneaker. It's a luxury statement piece, and I can't wait to show you all the details up close. So, let's dive into the box and see what makes this collab so highly anticipated. Right out of the box, you can feel the premium vibe. The packaging itself screams exclusivity. And when you pull back the paper, boom, there it is. The upper is dressed in a rich black suede, super soft to the touch. That burgundy crush accent on the inner lining and mudguard, pure elegance. And don't even get me started on the quilted liner, a classic Maniére touch that gives it that upscale, boutique feel. One of the standout elements here is how clean and minimal the design is, while still being bold. The monochromatic base keeps it sleek, but those deep burgundy hits add just enough pop. There's co-branding on the tongue with the Maniére logo, and even a special hang tag that sets the sneaker apart from your regular Jordans. This is luxury streetwear at its finest. Now let's talk comfort. These aren't just good-looking shoes, they're built for everyday wear. The Zoom air cushioning in the sole gives you that responsive bounce, whether you're walking all day or just flexing your outfit. And the black rubber outsole ensures solid traction and durability, so you won't have to worry about slipping or scuffing easily. So what makes this pair truly special? It's that rare blend of style and performance. You're not just wearing a sneaker, you're wearing a statement. These were released as a women's exclusive, so they speak to a sophisticated audience who appreciate design, detail, and comfort. Whether you're pairing them with streetwear or going more upscale, these kicks adapt to your vibe effortlessly. If you're someone who loves sneakers with meaning, history, and modern elegance, or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank, let me put you on to /Hifut. Are you a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community? This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations /Hifut, has something that'll match your vibe, and the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets /Hifut apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, /Hifut delivers big on style, trust,